If you are looking for cocoyam to cook and eat like yam, tiger cocoyam it is. It has a distinct leaf shape from other types of cocoyam. So this is what it looks like in the farm. The other day, Summer asked me about cocoyam. There's another type of cocoyam that she was asking me if it was okay to eat it, because there are itchy cocoyam and there are non-itchy ones. So Summer, this is the one to go for, EKO. It's called EKO. I'm calling it tiger cocoyam because, you know, look at it. It looks like a tiger nut, doesn't it? It has some lines like a tiger. So I'm calling it tiger cocoyam. I don't know the English name. Does anybody know the English name? Please let me know in the comments. So Summer, if you can buy this cocoyam where you live, I'm pretty sure you can buy it, because I tell you, in this city that I live in Spain, any African food I can buy here. That means that African food can be found all over Europe. It has reached all over Europe. Yeah, I think they distribute to everywhere else before they bring it to this place where I live, because there are not a lot of foreigners living here. So yeah, let's go. Let me prepare it in the way we would normally prepare this cocoyam in Igbo land, or at least where I come from. I start by rinsing it very well because we cook it with the skin. There's at least one health benefit of cooking these starchy root vegetables with the peels. Pour water to cover it and start cooking. Here are the rest of the ingredients. I'll be using ngo and these other traditional ingredients: palm oil, okpaka or uba, onions, green leafy vegetables, ugu usually, or do like me and use spinach. Ngo, which is ash from palm fruit stalk, is that what it's called? Or you can use edible potash. They do the same job. Ngo is generally seen as healthier. Pepper, ogiri igbo. I'll make 2 sauces with all these ingredients. Hey, my mouth is watering already. I get the leafy vegetable and okpaka ready to go into the pot. I rinsed both very well. Add that to the pot when it boils and continue cooking. Then mix the ngo with some cool water. Sieve and set aside. If you are using edible potash, mix it with water and set aside. Pound the pepper, and it's time to prepare the sauces. I slowly pour the ngo solution into the palm oil while stirring it at the same time, and watch the chemical reaction take place. Welcome to Flo's chemistry lab. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? When was the last time I asked this question on this channel? It's been a while. Please like. This mix is called ncha. Once it thickens, set it aside. We'll add the rest of the ingredients later. The ukpaka and veggie wrap should be boiled for just enough time for the contents to heat up. At most 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't time these things. I checked the tiger cocoyam. Even though the knife went in easily, I can still feel some resistance. That means it's still hard, so I continue cooking. Pound the vegetable and ukpaka in a mortar till this smooth. Then add some ogiribo, some salt, and palm oil. Mix till well combined. And add more salt if necessary. You can prepare a third sauce with just ukpaka, palm oil, salt, and ogiribo, leaving out the vegetable, yeah, as you like it. Checking the cocoyam again. Can you see the smear on the knife? That's a sign that it's done to perfection, at least the way I like it. When you're ready to serve, add ogiri, salt and pepper to the ncha and mix very well. Then serve. The cocoyam is best served piping hot. See my neck balancing on the floor to enjoy this delicacy. Yes, for it to enter body well, you need to sit on the floor when eating this meal. And here's how to eat it up close. Peel it. Slice into single eat pieces, scoop a generous amount of the sauce, deposit it in your mouth and be transported to food heaven. Click the box on the right to see how to prepare something similar with yam. Bye bye, see you soon.